Check this out. Videos like this are going viral everywhere. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own skeleton education video from scratch using HitPaw Edimakor. Stick around and I'll show you every step. Step 1. Idea and script generation. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt that you'll find in our Discord or Telegram channel. ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 viral video ideas related to skeleton education. Choose the idea you like and reply with its number, and ChatGPT will automatically write a 60-second short video script for that topic. This script will be the foundation of your entire video. Step 2. Generate AI voiceover. Now open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. If you don't have the software installed yet, you can download it from the link in the description. Once inside Edimakor, go to the audio section and select text-to-speech. Paste your video script here, then choose an AI voice based on your preference. You can select any language, accent, gender, age, or use case. When you're satisfied, click Generate, and your AI voiceover will be ready within seconds. Step 3. Generate AI skeleton images. Next, go back to ChatGPT and type Generate Images in the same conversation. ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for each scene of your video. Copy the first image prompt and return to HitPaw Edimakor. Click on AI Image from the left menu and choose Reference Image Model. Choose Google Nano Banana Model and upload your skeleton reference image so every scene stays visually consistent. Paste the image prompt, select your preferred settings, and click Generate. Repeat this process for all scenes to create a complete set of skeleton images. Step 4. Turn images into videos. Once your images are ready, go back to ChatGPT again and type Generate Video Prompts. ChatGPT will now generate image-to-video prompts for each scene. Copy the first prompt and open HitPaw Edimakor. Right-click on the image and choose Image to Video. Select the Google Veo 3.1 video model. Paste the prompt, choose your desired settings, and click Generate. In a few moments, you'll have a smooth AI-generated video clip. Repeat this process for all images. Step 5. Final editing and export. Now drag all your generated video clips onto the timeline in the correct order and align them perfectly with your voiceover. Add subtitles, transitions, and effects to enhance clarity and engagement. Once everything looks polished and professional, export the video in 4K resolution, and your skeleton education video is officially ready to publish.
Ever wondered what would happen if a gorilla punched you? Brace yourself. The force is unbelievable. Boom. The punch lands with the force of a wrecking ball. Your bones might not stay in one piece.
And that's it. Now you know how to create your own skeleton education video from scratch using HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video tips and tricks. Try it out, get creative, and I'll see you in the next video.